Okay, just sitting in the car here. Every once in a while I'll hear a click like a relay switch down in the fuse panel, and then another little click over there. Maybe it won't do it, but okay, I'll push on the brake. I'll start it. I push the button. It didn't work. Push the button again. Didn't work. I'll double tap it. Didn't work. Push and hold. It's not working. I've got the key here in my pocket. See, here's the key. Right here. Push and hold. Now the brake lights are flickering. I'll let off. Let's try it again. Push the brake. The brake's solid now. Pushing and holding. There we go. Now it starts. We got 19 miles. And now I have an engine code. Great. What is the engine code? Go ahead and scan one code, U0412. Alright, so something U0412.